So will XRP be the biggest moving crypto project in the next bull run? That's the question. And the answer is quite possibly yes. Look at what's already happened where XRP ran up from the high 30s to 50 plus cents. And by the way, now is maintaining and stabilized at that this position with just not a lot of relative news there. Obviously, it's all relative, and we're waiting on the SEC lawsuit settlement. And if that goes XRP's way, you will see quite possibly XRP go, the sky's the limit, $2, $3 more, higher by the end of 23. The number is, we don't know the number. It could be immense, huge. And I own XRP, and I am definitely looking forward to that day for sure. So with that said, we're going to talk about this, and we're going to talk about the fact that XRP has moved up, and we could still look at right now. Currently, as of recording this video, XRP is up 1.75 on the the 7-day, 1.5 on the 24 hours, but it's at that 51 cent range. If I look at that, if you look at the last 1 month, right, we had already moved up, probably 3 months better. Yeah, well, we moved up from that 30-cent range that we were at for forever, right? That move really started around less than 3 weeks ago. Okay, so it started around March 20th and just skyrocketed up. You're like, oh, this looks good here. Got up to 46, pulled back a little bit, and then just kept moving up. And now, if you look at this consolidation that's been going on for the last 14 days, we got a really nice consolidation pattern here. So this is a fantastic looking chart. But back to kind of the SEC and the lawsuit and all that kind of stuff, we've still got kind of the legal back and forth of what all the legalese back and forth. I'm just not going to get into that from that standpoint. Let's just say that they're consistently continue to do their back and forth thing. We possibly could see a judgment quite possibly by the end of April, which is only 2 weeks away. I think that maybe has dimmed a little bit, that possibility, but May definitely could be a possibility of this. The legal process doesn't move at the speed of light, moves pretty darn slow. We're 2 years in this thing, right? Okay, so back to kind of my opening statement. I mean, I think quite possibly that we could see XRP be the biggest moving, coin there is, period, in 23, with the bull run that we're expecting and with the lawsuit going XRP's way. You could see percentage gain, move up, price point, all that could just be blown away by what happens. And this would be a good thing and a long time coming for XRP token holders. So what's your thoughts? Do you think that this is a reality? Do you think that XRP could be the biggest mover in the next bull run and that happens in 23? And what do you think that price point is? Do you think $2, $3? Do you think it's more than that? I would love to hear from you. Have a good one. Food for thought. Take it easy. See you. Bye.